Good morning, Year 2. This morning we are going to be adding some money together. So we're going to be finding a total today using pence. Okay, so let's have a look at our first challenge. So here it says Mo buys an apple and a banana. So we can see that the apple costs 21p and the banana costs 33p. So today we need to add those two numbers together to find a total. So let's have a look how we could do that. Okay, so here we have the numbers 21 add 33. So we're going to make this into a column addition like we've done in class with our tens and our ones. So you can see I've made 21, 2 tens and 1 1, and I've made 33, 3 tens and 3 ones. So first of all, we need to add the ones together. So let's add those ones together, and we can see in total there we have 4 ones, and then we need to add the tens column together. So we're going to add the tens together, and you can see we have 5 tens, so that makes a total of 54. So if we go back to our pence, 21p and 33p, we know we've added those together and they make the total 54. So we can say that he spends altogether £0 and 54 pence. Okay, our next problem, it says that Sue buys a donut and a slice of cake. So we need to find the total if we add these two prices together. So we can see the donut is 33 pence and the cake is 41 pence. So again, we need to add those two numbers together first. So let's have a look at our column addition. Okay, so there's our two numbers. And we can see if we put them into our tens and our ones column, we've made 33 with 3 tens and 3 ones. And we've made 41 with 4 tens and 1 1. Let's add the ones together first. Have a little look. What do you think it's going to be? How many ones? Well done if you said 4 ones, fantastic. Then we're going to move on to the tens, so have a little look. How many tens do you think we will have? Have a count. Okay, let's add those together and we can see we have 7 tens. So our total, when we add 33, add 41, our total is 74. So if we go back to our coins, then we can see, we know that 33 and 41 is £0 and 74p, 74 pence, so that's our total. Okay, so our next problem says, Ben buys a cookie and an orange. So this time we can see the cookie is 38 pence and the orange is 15 pence. So again, we need to add those two numbers now to find the total. Okay, so here we have our numbers. We're going to put those into our columns, our tens and our ones. So there we can see 38, we've made 3 tens and 8 ones. And 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. So again, we need to add the ones first, but this time it's a bit more tricky because when we have a look at the ones, we can see that we have more than 10 ones. So if we add those together, there we can see we have got 13 ones. So we need to exchange 10 of those for 1 10, and you can see there it is down at the bottom, our extra 10 underneath, and that leaves us with our 3 ones. So then now we need to add our tens together. So we've got our 3 tens here and our 1 10. So if we add those together, that gives us our 4 tens, and then we need to add our extra 10 here we've got on the bottom, which gives us the total 53. Okay. So we can say now that if Ben buys a cookie and an orange, he will spend £0 and 53 pence, 53p. So we found our total. Well done. Okay, so this time Sarah buys a gingerbread man and some sweets. So we can see the gingerbread man is 46p and the sweets are 47p. So we need to find the total. So again, we'll go back to our columns. We'll put them into the tens and the ones. So we can see 46 is 4 tens and 6 ones, and 47 is 4 tens and 7 ones. So the first thing we're going to do is add the ones together. So let's watch carefully. So we can see 6 and 7 make 13, so we need to exchange those 10 ones for a 10, and then we have 3 ones left in the ones column. So then we need to add our tens together. So we need to add our 4 tens and our 4 tens. So 40 and 40, if we add those together, that gives us 8 tens, which is 80. And then we add the extra 10 from down here. And then we have 9 tens altogether, which is 90. So that gives us the total of 93. So we can say that Sarah spends £0 and 93p, 93 pence. Well done. Okay, so now for your task. Your task today is to choose 2 items from this grid and see if you can find the total. So you can use your maths book that we delivered in your home learning pack last week. It will have the boxes in so that you can write the calculations to help you. Okay, you can draw the tens and you can draw the ones as well to help you, just like we've done in school. So choose 2 items and see if you can find the total. If you want a challenge, you could even see if you could choose 3 of the items to find a total. So I'm just going to do one example to show you how you could do this in your maths book. Okay, so you can see here I have chosen the pear and the strawberry. So those are my 2 items. So the pear is 25p and the strawberry is 14p. So in my maths book, you can see I've got some squared paper here, so you can use your squares in your maths book. So the first thing I've done is put a t and an op. That is t for tens and the op is for the ones. Okay, so tens. We're going to have a look at the number 25. So 25 is 2 tens. So I'm going to write the number 2 and 5 ones. So I'm going to write the number 5 in the ones column. So there's my number 25. And then underneath, I'm going to write the number 14. So 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones. So I'm going to make sure that they are written in the correct columns. Then I need to find the total. So you might want to draw the tens and ones to help you, or you can just count them in your head, that's fine. So 5 ones, so I might draw my 5 ones here to help me. So 5 ones and 4 ones. If I add those numbers together, I will get 9 ones. So I can write the number 9, okay, 9 ones. Then I'm going to add my tens together. So I've got 2 tens and 1 10. So if I add 2 and 1 together, that gives me 3. So 3 tens are 30. So I can see that my total, if I bought 1 pear and 1 strawberry, it would be 39p. Okay, so now I'd like you to have a go at picking 2 items and seeing if you can find the total. Okay, so there is the table again with all of the different items you could choose to buy. Choose 2, find the total. We'd love to see some photographs of your workings out and how much you would need to spend. Okay, so good luck and I will see you all soon. Bye.